If you're trying to log into Bluehost CPanel and it's not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get back into your hosting account fast. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it's caused by a browser problem, a temporary access issue, or the way Bluehost opens CPanel inside your account. So let's go through the safest and easiest fixes one by one. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. First, log into your Bluehost account as you normally would. Once you're inside, look at the left side menu and click Hosting. This is where Bluehost shows your active hosting plans and the tools connected to them. Next, find the hosting plan you want to access and click CPanel. In many cases, Bluehost should open CPanel automatically, and you do not need a separate CPanel password because Bluehost handles the login for you behind the scenes. If the CPanel page does not open properly, don't panic. The next thing to try is going to Websites, then Manage, then Overview, and then clicking cPanel from there. Sometimes one path works better than another, depending on the account layout or session issue. If that still doesn't work, try opening Bluehost in an incognito or private browsing window. This helps remove problems caused by saved sessions, extensions, or old login data in your browser. After that, sign in again and test the cPanel link one more time. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop Bluehost pages from loading correctly. Once the cache and cookies are cleared, close the browser completely, reopen it, log back in, and try accessing cPanel again. Now, if you're seeing a timeout or connection error, the problem may not be your account at all. In some cases, your network or internet provider may be blocking the port cPanel uses, or your IP address may have been temporarily blocked by the server for security reasons. If that happens, try switching networks such as using mobile data or a different Wi-Fi connection, and then test the login again. If the problem still happens on a different network, then it's more likely a server-side issue or an account access restriction. At that point, the best step is to contact Bluehost support. Explain exactly what you're seeing, whether it's a blank page, timeout, login loop, or connection error, and let them know you've already tried the basic browser fixes. If possible, connect with a live agent and show them exactly what you are facing so they can check whether there's a server issue, an IP block, or another account problem. That usually speeds up the troubleshooting process a lot. So to recap, the main fixes are: log into Bluehost, go to Hosting, open cPanel from your plan, try the Websites and Manage path, test in an incognito window, clear cache and cookies, check for network or IP blocking, and then contact Bluehost support if nothing works. I hope this guide helped you fix the Bluehost cPanel login issue. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Bluehost troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.